Soap doesn't work the same for everyone. Here are the honest answers. Not because the soap is different, but because hair is. Or rather, because of what the hair has been through over the last couple of decades. Out in the countryside in the 1800s, nobody thought about this. But today, the options are endless, and so are the consequences. And what you've done to your hair over the last several years decides what soap can do for you now. This isn't a verdict, it's chemistry. Let's start with gray hair. You've left the race, or never joined it. You've accepted your natural color. It's a conscious choice, and it's brave in a world that sells anti-gray for 249 kroner. But gray hair is structurally different. The cuticle is thinner and more open. The oil glands slow down with age, less natural oil. The porosity is higher. It collects lime, minerals, and soap residue faster. So the challenges are dryness, yellowing from hard water, and tangling. What it needs? The vinegar rinse isn't optional. It's mandatory, every time. Without an acidic rinse, gray hair turns dry, tangled, and yellowish. Wash less often. Gray hair doesn't need it as often, and give the transition period a little more time. Can you use soap? Yes, but vinegar is your best friend. Then there's bleach. Here you pay a permanent price. Bleach breaks the sulfur bonds in keratin. They don't come back. The cuticle never fully closes. Every strand is riddled with holes. Where the pigment used to sit, there are now empty gaps. It's permanent. No mask, no treatment, no Olaplex can rebuild a broken sulfur bond. They can make a weaker substitute. It's like gluing a broken bone instead of healing it. And your hair turns yellow, not because it's dirty, but because the last pigments the bleach didn't reach are yellow, and because porous hair soaks up minerals from the water. That's why you need purple shampoo, sulfate-free shampoo, a silicone conditioner, and regular salon touch-ups. It's a carousel. But it's the only carousel that works for bleached hair, because the structure is permanently changed. Soap is alkaline. It lifts a cuticle that's already standing half open. Vinegar can close it, but it can't repair what bleach destroyed. It's like closing a door that's come off its hinges. Can you use soap? Yes, but it'll ask more of you. A vinegar rinse every time. Maybe an acidic leave-in for the ends. And honesty, that soap can't repair what bleach destroyed. It can clean gently, it can avoid making things worse, but it can't make it good again. The easiest answer is, let the bleached hair grow out and start with soap on the new growth. But I can't forbid you from experimenting. God knows I do. A lot. Then there's chemical color. The rainbow has a price. Permanent hair color works by opening the cuticle with ammonia and planting large dye molecules inside the cortex. The molecules are too large to escape again, in theory. In practice, anything that opens the cuticle lets the color out. SLS shampoo does it. Soap does it because it's alkaline. Hot water does it. The sun does it. It's not unique to soap, but soap's pH 9 to 10 does it faster. The darker and more intense the color, the more molecules are stuck, the longer it lasts. Pastels and light shades have fewer molecules. They fade first. So the challenges are faster fading, uneven color, and the same carousel as bleach, just with color on top. Can you use soap? Only if you're ready to stop coloring. Let the natural hair grow out. Cut off the colored part along the way. Switch to soap when the natural hair is there. Or stay on the carousel. That's a choice, not a mistake. It's just a conscious choice now. And then there's henna. Here's the good news. Henna is the one hair color that plays clean with soap. You'd think nature had an internal agreement. It's had one for 5,000 years. Henna is older than soap. Lawson bonded to keratin long before anyone figured out how to mix fat with lye. And it still does, without ammonia, without peroxide, without opening a single cuticle scale. It's the one hair color that strengthens the hair instead of weakening it. Lawson, the active dye, bonds permanently to the keratin, not inside the cortex, but directly onto the protein behind the cuticle. Soap can't loosen it. Vinegar can't loosen it. Nothing can. On the contrary, the vinegar's acidic pH gives extra shine to henna-colored hair because it closes the cuticle tight over a color that's locked in. And henna isn't only red. Cassia obovata, neutral henna, gives no color, only strength and shine. Indigo gives dark. Blends give brown. They all bond to keratin. They all play well with soap. One exception. If your henna contains metallic salts or synthetic additives, it isn't pure henna. Check the ingredient list. It should say Lawsonia inermis, possibly indigo. If it says anything else, it's chemical color in disguise. Can you use soap? Yes, the color stays. Just carry on once you've been through the reset. If you're using SLS shampoo now, there's silicone and buildup in your hair. That has to come off first. Henna doesn't change that. We'll go deeper into henna in another episode.